Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Botany Insider's new class for the general aptitude practice. Let's wait for the students to join in and then we'll begin with our class. Okay. Good morning, good evening, Madhusmita. Let's wait for everyone to join in and then we'll start with our session. Okay. Today I've brought up completely new questions for you all. We'll be discussing, we'll be revising new type of questions. Okay. Okay, so let's begin. Others would join in the time being, right? If you're new to Botany Insider, please make sure that you're downloading our application. And also a reminder for you all, we have started off with the registration of the full course for the December 2023 examination. The classes will start from 15th of May. So those of you who wish to join in this particular course, you can download the application and get yourself enrolled in the same. Okay, so download the app, and if you're targeting the December examination, go for the full course. Okay, then you have our application available both on the Android as well as in the iOS. You can explore our website, you can download the app, you can get a number of features, right? In addition to that, we have a PYQ session course going on specifically for the June examination. Those of you who are finding difficulty in revising the previous year questions or practicing out the previous year questions, you can download the app, and early morning every day 8:30 to 10 we are having this particular class. Okay, so let's begin with our very first question. So this question was a doubt for 3 to 4 students. I got a request to repeat this question. Okay, so we're repeating the same question. The question is, an open rectangular box is made by excluding the 4 identical corners of a piece of paper as shown in the diagram and folding it along the dotted lines. That is, along this particular line we are folding it. The capacity of the box is, you need to tell what is the capacity of the box. So if that person is there in the class, the one who asked to repeat it, please solve it, like just get the answer for this particular question, everyone, and then I'll clarify your doubt. Okay, quickly solve this question, everyone. I've discussed this very nicely in the in the previous class, but there was some doubt to some students. Quickly get the answer for this, then I'll explain. Yes, get the answer for this question quickly. Madhusmita, find the answer for this. We have 6 students in the class right now. C, okay. Others also quickly mark the answer for this question. So it's a simple question in which you're given the rectangular box in which both the sides, like all the sides are 40, right? And you are making it into a box with, and you need to find out the capacity of the box. You are folding out 10 centimeters, like cutting it off and then making it into a box, right? So if you're cutting off 10 centimeters, what will be the height of the box? It will obviously be equal to the side itself, right? So it should be 10 centimeters, the height should be 10 centimeters, and you are removing off 10 and 10 from both the sides. So the side would be what? Right? Side would be 20. Capacity of box is length into breadth into height. That is equal to 20 into 20 into 10. Simple. Answer is 4000 centimeter cube. Very simple question. So answer is 4000 centimeter cube. Okay, so I hope this is clear. I just took this question because it was a doubt question for some students, right? Let's begin with the next question. This is the question for you all, everyone. New question, latest year question. Get the answer for this and then we'll solve it out together. Good evening, Vivekananda. And how to clear 7 to 8 questions. Practice as much as you can, Rajesh. Every day we are having so many questions discussed in the class. Come to the class on daily basis, and if you find the difficulty in like having the live class, go for the recorded one. And we also have a general aptitude course, a recorded course on the application. You can enroll in that and get your questions revised from there. All the new students on in the class, please make sure that you are hitting the subscribe button. You are downloading our application also. Get the answer for this question, everyone. Give it a try. 7 students are there in the class right now. 8 now. It's a very simple question. If you understand this, you will get the answer very easily. Madhusmita is marking the answer as A. Others also, give it a try. You have a doubt in previous question. Okay, we'll solve. Well, first, let's complete this and then we'll solve out the previous question. Okay. Everyone, please solve out this question. It's a general aptitude class. You will all have to participate in the class. Okay. D. Majority of you are marking the answer as option number D. See, what is the question saying? Let's solve it out now. Question is saying, suppose A equal to 1. B equal to 2, etc, etc. We are going up till Z. There are 26 alphabets, right? Question is saying that if you are given this particular expression as A minus M, D minus M, G minus M, and in the numerator you have S minus M. Okay, and in the denominator all the things are there, and but we are going in the reverse manner, like Z minus M, Y minus M, M minus X, right? So M minus Y, then you have M minus X, etc, etc. So you need to find out that what will be the final answer over here. See, if you observe very carefully, do not go for the numerator, just observe the denominator. If M is getting subtracted from Z and then from Y, then from X, there will be a point at which M would be getting subtracted from M, right? And when M will get subtracted from M, you will get 0, right? Very, very logical thing this thing is, right? It's very logical to understand it this way. And if in any of the mathematical expression you have the denominator as 0, the final answer will for sure be option number 1 itself, that is 0. You divide anything by 0, you get 0 only, right? Answer will be what? Answer will be option number A. Very simple question. So, Samajit got the answer correct. Very good. Madhusmita got the answer correct. And others, I am expecting that you have now understood the concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll move forward. Just check this question. It's a very simple question. It was just your analytical skill which was getting checked in this particular question. Okay, clear everyone? Yes, Niharika. Rajesh, Mayank, you got the answer incorrect. I hope the concept is clear. Okay. Madhusmita, what is your doubt for the previous question? You can post and then I'll take it up. Okay. Now the next question for you all. Now this one is again a latest year question. The question is saying an aircraft is approaching the airport from the line of sight distance of 10 kilometers to the landing point and is currently at the height of 5 kilometers. What is the angle of elevation? You need to find out the angle of elevation for the same. Okay, take your time, understand what the question is asking you, and then mark the answer in the chat section, everyone. Madhusmita, mark your doubt for the previous question. I'll take it up after this. It's a very simple question. Give it a try to this question, everyone. There are several students in the class. Please make sure that you all are participating. How the height became 10 centimeters. Madhusmita, just imagine the scenario. You have a paper, you are cutting the corners and then you are lifting from that particular side to the top. Look over here. You're cutting the paper from here and then you're folding this particular thing in this manner, right? And then only it would turn into a box, right? So that is the reason why height is 10. This is 10. You're removing this and then you are letting this flap turn into a box. You are just getting it stand, right? I hope it is clear now. I don't know what is the problem. Why aren't you people able to understand that height concept? Many students are having that problem. Just take a sheet of paper, cut 10 centimeters and then try to make it a box. You'll understand why it is 10 centimeter. It's very simple. Okay. So let's solve out this particular question. Again, very simple question. Question is saying what? I have discussed this kind of question previously also. An aircraft is approaching the airport from the line of sight. Line of sight means consider that you are standing over here. From here, you are looking at the aeroplane. So from here the sight is 10 kilometers, right? But the actual height is 5 kilometers. You need to find out the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means you need to find this particular angle, and for this question you need to have bit of understanding of your trigonometry. That is, what is sine, what is cos, what is tan, all these things you need to understand, right? Before that you need to have a clear understanding of that this is a right angle triangle, and in a right angle triangle this is your perpendicular, this is your base, and this one is your hypotenuse, right? When we look into the trigonometric table, in the trigonometry there are 6 signs in total. Remember the basic 3 one: sine, cos and tan, right? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is this upon this. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, that is this upon this, right? Last is your tan theta, which is perpendicular upon base, right, which is this upon this. In this particular question you are given, you need to find out this angle. For finding out this angle, you need to have the relationship between perpendicular and hypotenuse. That means you need to take into consideration sin theta value. So sin theta is equal to perpendicular value given to you as 5 and hypotenuse value given to you as 10. Simple. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2. So when you get sin theta as 1 upon 2, so this is something which you need to keep in mind. There's a specific table for the same. Sin is 1, like the value of sin is 1 upon 2 at 30 degrees angle. That means the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Simple. Answer is option number B. Okay, very simple, very straightforward question. Point is, you need to have logic, you need to have the understanding of what trigonometry is, what basic trigonometry is, and how to apply that concept into this particular question. Is this clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Some of you got the answer incorrect. I hope the concept is clear to you. And if you remember, we have discussed a similar concept previously as well, right? So, please make sure that you are keeping a note of this, because CSIR is asking these trigonometric questions from past 2 to 3 years on a row. So, please make sure that you are having a good understanding of the same. Okay? Is it clear to everyone? Should we move forward now? Yes, everyone, quickly let me know. If this is clear, then we'll solve out one more question. I have taken up all new questions today. Okay, let's move forward. This is the next question for you, everyone. This is again a previous year question. Question is saying that approximately how much blood flows per day through a normal human heart that is beating 70 times per minute, having the relaxed volume of 110 cc and the compressed volume of 70 cc. Okay, get the answer for this. It's again a simple question. If you understand what is the question asking, you will be able to solve it very easily. Okay, give it a try, everyone. You just have to get the complete understanding of minutes, hours, day and everything, and you will be able to solve it easily. Done, everyone? Very good, very good. Everyone, give it a try. 3 of you have already marked the answer. 11 students in the class. Get the answer for this, everyone. Okay, let's give it a try now. The question is saying that approximately how much. The question is itself asking you the approximate value. They do not want you to have the accurate or the exact calculation done. For approximately how much blood flows per day through the human heart beating 70 times per minute, right? You need to find out for the complete day. It is telling you 70 times per minute, right? Having a relaxed volume of 110 and the compressed volume of 70. Relaxed volume is 110 and compressed volume is 70. That means what is the actual volume of the heart? It is 40 cc, right? All you have to do is you have to multiply it properly. It is saying 70 times per minute. 70 per minute is like in 1 minute. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes, right? In 1 day you have 24 hours, right? And for a single minute the volume is 40 cc, right? You just have to multiply all of these things, and when you multiply this you'll get the answer as 4032,000 cc. Okay, but you have to find the answer in liters, right? For finding out the answer in liters you have to remember one conversion, and the conversion is 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc. Okay, and if you are given these many cc's, how to convert it into liters? Divide 4032,000 divided by 1000, it will be equal to 4032 liters, right? And you need to write down the approximate value, and for the like out of the 4 values given to you, the most approximate value to 4032 is 4000 liters, right? Answer is option number B. Is it clear to everyone? It's very simple, very basic. All you had to do was you had to understand the logic behind the question. It was asking you per day, and it was telling you that it is beating 70 times per minute. So you just have to correlate that thing and just solve it out. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Just check. Some of you got the answer correct. Some of you got answer incorrect. I am expecting that now the doubt is clear. If you have any doubt, any problem, you still can ask. Everyone, is it clear? Very good. Let's move forward now, right? Let's do one more question. This will take time. Yes, let's do this particular question, everyone. Question is, if the product of 3 consecutive positive integers is equal to their sum, then what would be the sum of their squares? It's a latest year question. Give it a try. Very simple, very basic question. You'll be easily able to solve it. And the previous question, we'll be doing it tomorrow because that question will take 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Rajesh, I have taken up so many questions of 2021 already. Like every day I'm taking up the latest year questions itself. You need to check the marathon playlist. I have taken up more than 70 classes, free classes on YouTube. There are a number of questions. For part B, part C, part A, I have taken up so many classes. Check that. And if you want to have a structured kind of a thing, so make sure that you are coming in the enrolled courses. Early morning we are having the discussion of previous year questions. You can join that. Give it a try to this question, everyone. Simple question. If the product of three consecutive positive integers is equal to their sum, then what would be the sum of their squares? Done, everyone? It's a simple question, right? Let's give it a try. Question is saying if the product of two consecutive positive integers is equal to their sum. What do you mean by consecutive on the first go? Consecutive means continuously, like A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. It is saying product of three consecutive number is equal to their sum. So what you can do in this particular thing, take a very simple example. Let's take an example of 1, 2 and 3. Add them together. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Multiply them together. It is equal to 6 because 1 into 2 into 3 is 6 again. So that means our example is satisfying the condition given to us, right? It is asking what will be the sum of their squares. Just square them and get the answer. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Answer is option number B, 14. Very good. All of you got the answer correct. Excellent. I hope you have understood the basic concept behind the same, right? Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Mark down in the chat section. I have taken up all the new questions today for you all. I hope it was helpful, right? And if you're targeting the December examination, you can download the app and get yourself enrolled in the new course, new full course that is starting from 15th of May. And if any of your friend, any of your colleague is doing the same, you can please share the information to them and they can enroll in the course, right? So tomorrow we'll have a class again, same timing, 8 o'clock. Make sure you join on time. We'll be discussing few more questions for you all, okay? And if you're new to Botany Insider, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay. Good luck everyone. Take care. All the best. And I am planning up a number of videos for you all for the upcoming examination and for the December exam as well. Right? Any one of you who wish to get the motivation from them, just make sure that you watch that and for sure it would help you out. Good luck everyone. Let's meet